Good afternoon and welcome to T.W White Sons used car videos. Today we have a Mazda CX-5 in deep crystal blue. This is the petrol 6-speed 165 PS GT Sport manual. So we're just going to walk around the vehicle and just show you some of the key features which it has. So this is a one owner vehicle, full Mazda service history, and we will be servicing it and MOTing it before it goes out, so it will continue to have its full service history. So we need to do that, but as you can see, it has been looked after. It is the top specification of the vehicle as well, so you do get the Bose surround system, automatic tailgate, and you get the Napa leather rather than just the standard black leather. In the rear, some of the main differences between the Sport and the GT Sport is that the rear passengers get heated seats. You do get the 2 USBs which come as standard normally. In the front, you get air-conditioned front seats, adaptive LED lights, and a 360-degree camera when you're parking. Now, most of those bits you can get on a Sport, but you have to pay for the additional pack, so the safety pack, but you still don't get the air-conditioned seats and the heated rear seats and the Napa leather. So it's a nice little feature to have. So top specification. Really lovely looking car, especially in the deep crystal blue. I do have a little bit of a soft spot for a blue car, but anyway. So yeah, it has a sunroof, obviously because it's petrol, keyless entry, memory seat function, which goes with your heads-up display. And then if we get in and start the vehicle, because it is very nippy outside, I'm going to turn that heated seat on. So I don't know if you can see it in the windscreen there. You've got the heads-up display, which will show the speed of the road that you're on, speed that you're doing, and also it will show you some navigation, so bits and pieces that you are doing. So like if you're turning left in 500 yards, it will have like an arrow to the left with 500 yards beneath it. So it won't come up with the full navigation, but it will come up with some of the information, which is quite useful. So automatic lights, which you can put in the adaptive mode, so that's forward on there. Automatic wipers, as you'd imagine, and then view for the camera. So if you do that, then you can see front and up above. You can then, if you put it into reverse, it will then go to the rear camera as well. So it's quite handy for when you're parking. You do have navigation, full DAB radio, FM radio, and then obviously you've got your settings which you can do in here. So your adaptive LED light, your heads-up display. You can then have a play around with the Bose surround system. You can set up the door walk-away lock, so the car will lock when you start walking away from the vehicle, which is quite useful, especially if you've got dogs or kids or anything like that. Obviously the car is keyless as well. So all of that is in the menu. You do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Cup holders in the centre, auto hold function with electric handbrake. And then, as we mentioned before, it's got the 6-speed manual box. Now, these cars are very good if you have dogs. For 3 years running, they won Best Dog Owner's Car of the Year. They're one of the safest SUVs on the market, even now. And they're just an absolute joy to drive. So if you would like to come down and drive it, please do so. You can give us a call or send us an email at one of our branches, and we'll be more than happy to get you booked in for a test drive. Like I say, one owner since brand new, full Mazda service history. We will be doing a service and MOT on it, so you'll have a full year on both of those. It also comes with a year's Mazda warranty and breakdown assistance, which is always good as well. So give us a call, send us an email, and we'll be happy to take your call. Many thanks and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.